How to convert PDF bank statements in accurate and timely data for your analysis and registry. This is Nelson. Once a month, he has to print, scan or type all the data from his bank statements, but always a mess, takes too much time, and sometimes has errors or inaccuracies. But now, he found a better way to do it. Using our service, he can charge the bank statements directly to our extraction systems or send them by email, and receive in minutes all the extracted data in his own email inbox, right in his preferred file type, Excel, Google Sheet, CSV, or any data file he needs. To keep the confidentiality of the info, there are no human interventions in the extraction process. It is completely automatized by a software called Docparser, which offers totally secure and private policy to protect your data. Even better, you can use your own Docparser session if you want not to share your files with anyone, adding more control to your data, and our team only configures the rules for the first time using modified sample files to do it. Now, Nelson has his information system updated and accurate just 1 hour after their bank statements are available, and can take more reliable and quicker decisions about his finances. Contact us https://www.fiverr.com/s/z6lwdr